Hey guys, Star here. If you're a lead generation expert and you're working on a really amazing automation and workflow for your client, there's nothing worse than the internet crashing or something crashing on your computer. You forgot to hit save, and now that work that you put in to build that incredible workflow is all gone. You can actually use our autosave feature to make sure that all of the work that you're doing in your workflows are saved in live time. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the left-hand side and go ahead and click on automation. Once you've clicked on automation, go to the top and click on global workflow settings. Here you'll see a few options. We want to focus on autosave. Go ahead and toggle this on. This will mean that changes that you make will automatically save while you're editing in your draft workflow. Autosave ensures your updates are preserved in real time, so you do not have to manually save. Now, if you want to manually save, you can, but I love the feature of autosave. So go ahead and turn that on. Now let's go back to automation. We're gonna go ahead and create a new automation, and let's just start from scratch. I'm gonna show you how this feature works. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will add a trigger, form submitted. I'll just say the form is, and I'm gonna go ahead and select that form and save that trigger. Now notice at the top right, it's saving. It has saved. So it automatically saved my work as I'm moving in live time. Now, the great thing about this is on the left-hand side, we do have version history. Go ahead and select version history and you can see what changes have been made to this actual workflow. And you can also see what time it was made and who made those changes. So you can see here that I had a change at 2:11, which is where we went into creating the actual workflow. And then you can also see what time my trigger was saved automatically. So this is very convenient. If you're working with a team or you have more than one person working on this workflow, it's important to note that it's only going to autosave for one editor at a time. So the latest save is going to win. So if you want to see what's happening and by whom what changes have been made, just go ahead here and you can actually see the version history. You can see who saved what and roll back in time as needed. Now, I do want to share a couple of points with you. It's important to note that for draft only, autosave works in the workflow if it's in draft. Now, our automation is currently in draft mode, so you'll go ahead and use the autosave feature while in draft mode, but it's going to be disabled for publish mode. So you want to go ahead and make any changes that you need to make while in draft mode. And then once that's finalized, then you can go ahead and publish your workflow. Also, autosave covers any canvas edits, but configuration inside action and triggers are not autosave. Okay, so you'll still want to manually save those. And the autosave feature will work inside of our standard builder as well as our advanced builder. Thanks for joining me as we explored how to use the autosave and workflow feature right inside of HighLevel. With this, you can automatically capture and store key contact data right from your workflows, so you can start putting it to work in your business today. Be sure to check out the help doc linked below for full details. And for more information, dive into the Content Army playlist for more tutorials just like this. I'm Star, and I'll see you in the next video.